Hey guys, it's me, Board Monkey. We are gonna be playing Animal Company with my best friend. Well, with my friend. Ah! What the heck?
What up, Christian?
Yeah, he dead. He dead.
Let's go over here.
I think I hear it. Oh, he's right there. This is a dead end. Help me, bro. I hit. Why'd I bring a pickaxe?
What is that supposed to
This
do?
is a dead end. Ah! Yeah, bro, I revive you, wait! I revive you, wait! He's trying to kill me! I revive you! You died!
Oh my god, that was mad scary. I'm dead. I'm
You
at
dead?
1
You
health.
cooked?
Do
Oh,
we not
same.
have any?
Wait, the ammo already
Let's go
forgot?
back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
I think I hear it. Oh, wait, no. Not here. It could be here. Yes, I think we made it. Yeah, we made it.
We made it.
Oh, like one hit and you're dead, bro. One hit and you're dead. It's so weird. Oh, what? The way how they changed the sound.
Yoda.
Oh! I almost died!
Do it.
I'm gonna revive you because I have more health, but like, mine is already close to the... hello! I'm just gonna collect the gold. We're gonna sell that later. Banana, but you don't really banana. I'm not hungry yet.
Run.
Run. We gotta kill Guy. We gotta kill Jerry. Sorry Jerry, but you gotta die. Okay, never mind. Sorry, it's not here. But no, wait, that's not Jerry. Jerry is the Labubu thingy in my bag. It's not really in my bag. Did you die? Oh wait, no, you're not dead.
I'm right here.
You wait, they changed it. They changed it again, bro. Wait, can you get some ammo? Oh, thanks. I'm getting my gun ready. Oh. Okay, a bunch of stuff just... Oh, I almost had it. Wait, it's over here. Wait, bro.
I'm dead.
We should go back because I know what to do. Come here. So do you know? Wait, come here. Look. Watch this. Look. Look, see? They're not gonna kill us. So move slowly so they won't know that we're doing this. Do you hear the splash? So we have to move slowly so there's no splash sounds. This is just a tip for new players. And also people who never listen. For some reason I hear the lady. No, the lady from office. Oh, there's one right there. Oh. Bro. They don't know we're here. Yo, it's over here. Okay, we just gotta go here. We have to go this way. Oh. Maybe not.
Do I shoot it?
No, don't shoot it. It's gonna detect us. Oh, Oh, this is so cool, bro. I've never beaten this area before, so. I think that's it. We're gonna beat this. I thought I was done. Wait, that makes us escape. That way makes us. Let's go to the old screen. We can't let it see us. Help me, bro. I won't be plug it out. We gotta do this, bro. Wait, we should mine the ore. But the watch is right there.
Yeah.
I just got a research point though. Don't let it see us. Put it in the bag. Okay, we can't let it see us. It's almost out, it's almost out. Yo, bro, I don't know if you can do it. Let's go. Let's mine more ore. We should do this in another YouTube video. Yo, bro, my mining tool just fell down. I'm cooked. This one is more risky because he's right there. fall down. I think I should go get it. Yo, do you have the mining tool? Can I have more ammo? By the way, you can just shoot it, you know. Damn. Okay, follow me. Follow me. Yo. Yo. Where are you, bro?
Hello?
Yo, here.
Right here.
I'll revive you. Oh, wait, no, you're not dead. That's good. How did he survive that?
I ran.
This is so risky. We're here. Oh. Yo, bro. We need to swim. Bro. Oh, you made it. Wait. Wait for me. Oh, help. Yo, bro. I need help.
Okay.
No.
Wood monkey, we have to stay.
What?
We have to stay. We have to wait for him.
Okay.
Then we can do it.
Here. I think I made it. Oh, oh. I think we got too much stuff, bro.
No!
I made it! I'll wait for you, bro. Okay. Now watch the smoke there, bro. No. Stop, man. I guess I gotta go myself. I've never been in this before, so I don't know what it is. Ah! Where am I? Hello? I've never been in this before. Yo? Hello? I beat the map. Wait. I beat the map, bro. Where are you?
You're back in spawn.
I'm back in spawn. Where are you? I made it to the escape. I made it to the escape, bro. I escaped. For real.
Alright. Escape what though?
What? I'm at spawn and I got the brain matter.
Alright, stay right there, because I know where you at.
Okay. I've never escaped this before.
Alright, stay right there.
Okay, I'm right here.
Yo, how do you get out?
Yellow.
Wait, who are
Yo.
you, bro?
I'm his friend. And I have to go.
Coming.
Where are you? I'm still here. You. We're gonna be rich after I sell this, bro. Anyways, that's the end for this video. I hope you like.